In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access on Hostinger, a crucial part of effectively managing your website. Whether you're collaborating with team members, developers, or others, it's essential to understand how to share the right level of access securely and conveniently. We'll cover every detail, from logging in to final confirmation, ensuring none of your data is at risk while you're empowering others to help manage your site. First things first, let's start by logging into your Hostinger account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Hostinger's website. Once there, click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your credentials carefully, ensuring they're correct to avoid unnecessary login issues. After successfully logging in, you should find yourself on the dashboard, where you can see an overview of your services and website statistics. This dashboard is your control center and the gateway to modifying your site settings. Now, let's proceed to the next step, which involves accessing your hosting account settings. Look for the Hosting option in the main menu, usually situated on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it to reveal a list of your websites hosted on Hostinger. Choose the website you'd like to grant access to by simply clicking on its name. This click will take you directly into your website's detailed settings page. Remember, it's important to select the right site if you have multiple projects running simultaneously. Next, we need to navigate to the Access Manager section. This can typically be found within the Domain or Website Management area. If you're having trouble locating the section, keep an eye out for tools or settings that suggest permissions or user management. Once you find the Access Manager, go ahead and click on it. Here, you'll be able to see a list of current users as well as options to add new ones. To grant access to a new user, simply click on the Add or Invite button, which should be prominently displayed. Enter the email address of the person you wish to give access to. It's crucial to verify their email before proceeding, to ensure the invitation goes to the right person. After entering the email, you'll need to select the appropriate access level. Hostinger typically offers different levels of permissions such as full access, editor access, or viewer only. Choose the one that best fits the level of involvement you want this person to have. For example, if you're dealing with a developer, full access might be necessary, whereas a content editor could suffice with more limited permissions. Once you've set these preferences, go ahead and submit your changes and an invitation email will be sent to the recipient. Ask your collaborator to check their inbox and follow the instructions in the email to get started. Don't forget to touch base and confirm they've received access. Communication is key to ensuring everything goes smoothly. If any issues arise, a quick conversation can usually resolve them on the spot. And there you have it. You now know how to grant access on Hostinger. Keeping these steps in mind will allow you to securely and efficiently manage your collaborative efforts online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting!